Rip it.
Michael, rip it open.
I want you to hold that in your lap.
Why?
That's yours.
It's yours. It's gonna eat you all night.
Don't look at it. I want you to hold that.
Why don't you just throw it on?
Go ahead.
Rave.
Isn't that a bug spray?
It's rave. Rave is hairspray.
Oh my goodness, look at all of them.
Here, don't crash them.
Nick, give him his toy.
Here, Josh, this one goes with that one.
Alright, my kid's got Levi's.
Here, Josh, you have more presents. Here, just put those in the box. You want to put those back in the box?
Maybe about 4 feet long.
Yeah.
At the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Wait, from who? What? Wait a second, I know one.
What?
No, that's not right.
Well, what?
Crash on your motorcycle.
Oh, who knows?
Ryan?
Here, let him open this one. It's already coming out tape on the bottom.
Throw it at him.
There.
Open this one.
And he's got to see it. I would have wanted to see his face be open. I got it for him.
Have him open it from the bottom, Chris, because the bottom's already open.
What? That's what it
Michael, open it!
is. Here you go, Justin.
It's opening
Josh is
another.
like, let me open it. Chris, make him open it.
Open it.
You're open.
Rip it.
I know.
Rip it open. What is that?
Barney!
Aw.
I
What are
see.
those?
Right.
What are those,
Now
Josh?
where's the thing for the garbage?
Look at that.
Michelle's got it.
Here, Josh. Just hand it out to me, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Mom. Oh, you like Barney, Michael?
Look at him. Who is that, Michael? Barney.
Hear that's filmed in Dallas?
Let me play this.
I got some friends that work on the set.
Go around to that. He watches that every day and loves it.
Here, give him my big one.
Where is it?
It's over there.
Goodness, Robbie. Where?
It's over there.
Here, let's keep this in the box until you,
Most of them are the kids. He'll be giving Michael in.
I can't find nothing. To Josh?
Who's that from?
You?
Oh.
Yeah?
I don't care.
Here, Michelle.
Just take.
He's like, oh.
Look how cute. There it is.
Oh
It's already
my
halfway
goodness.
open. Michelle, give him that one right there.
Josh, here.
No, wait, don't open that one yet.
Wait a minute. You can't open this one yet. You have to wait a second. Wait a minute. Let's get a gift for Michael to open at the same time. Hold on.
Here, give me Barney. Open another present, Michael. Huh?
Here, Michael. Sam, you probably have to get on this side.
We're a happy family with a great big hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too?
Go ahead, Josh. Open it.
Go ahead.
Mickey Mouse.
Oh, be careful. Here's a.
Oh boy.
All right. Well, you never can have enough of those.
I got one again.
You already have one of
I didn't
those?
even remember even buying one.
Because I lost.
No, your mother did.
Price tag on
Oh, Mom bought that?
Yeah, his.
Batman.
I thought we had two, but we didn't.
Hold on.
I think we picked it up and put it back. Is that one for you, Josh?
Yeah.
Mikey.
It's open.
Here, Michael, it's open.
A game, Josh.
I know. Game. Game got the game.
Oh, operation.
A doctor game.
Josh, that's a fun game. It makes a lot of noises.
Doctor game.